Alrighty, guys, we got 2020 Bowman Sterling. 4-box break number 1 from eBay. We'll have a couple minutes early to prep the boxes. We're going to get all the little boxes unwrapped here before we get going at 10 o'clock. Just to save us a little bit of time once we get started. After we get all these little boxes unwrapped, we'll go down the team list, and then it should be about time to get this thing rolling. Appreciate everybody taking the spots tonight. Thanks for hopping in the break. Best of luck to everybody. Charlie Mack, what's up? All right, that is out of the way. What's up, Michael? Welcome to the group. All right, what time are we working with? 9:59, so we're right about start time. Let's run down the team list and we'll get her fired up. We got all the plastic out of the way. The boxes are pretty much ready to go. Here is your team list. Keith, Nationals. Lucas, Blue Jays. Michael O, Marlins, Rangers. Brandon B, Rays, Giants. Dustin, Angels, Padres, Orioles. Oren, Cardinals. Timothy G, Rockies, Dodgers, Yankees, Mariners. Michael W, Cubs, Pirates, Royals, Astros, Twins. John T, Reds and A's. Brian H, Phillies. Eddie, Mets. Brandon Y, Diamondbacks, Red Sox. Jason H, Brewers. George H, Tigers. Jeff M, Indians. David S, White Sox. Rebecca, Braves. So I appreciate all you guys taking those spots. I'm going to double check Facebook, make sure nobody's trying to get in the group, then we'll get going. All right, looks like all the group requests are taken care of. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Bowman Sterling, 4 boxes. I like the design this year. They look pretty solid. All right, box 1 ready to go. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Wander Franco, blue, 23/25. Nice start for the Rays. Autographed refractor /150, Brett Batty for the Mets. Sparkles /99, Grayson Rodriguez, Baltimore. Autograph Tariq Skubal, Detroit, base auto. Dustin May rookie. Base auto, Jackson Rutledge, Nationals. Silver Wave, autograph, Matthew Thompson, Chicago White Sox, /125. Morjan refractor /199. Wander Franco base. And Andy Pages, autograph, base auto for the Dodgers. Rounds out box number 1. 5 autos. And here we go, box number 2. Zach Collins base. Right, Sparkle, Bobby Witt Jr. /99, Kansas City. Gus Varland autograph, Oakland, base auto. Brennan Malone, base autograph, Arizona. Ian Anderson refractor /199, Atlanta. Greg Jones, wave autograph /125, Tampa Bay. Brendan McKay, rookie. Braves autograph, Shea Langeliers. Base auto. Wander base. And a Seth Brown refractor to 150, rookie auto. Oakland. All right, halfway home. 2 boxes down, 2 to go. Alrighty, box 3. Good luck, guys. Base autograph, Tampa Bay, Xavier Edwards. Bobichette refractor to 199, Toronto. Dubon rookie auto base, Giants. Base autograph, Matt Wallner, Minnesota. Luis Robert, base rookie. Refractor rookie auto, Aquino to 150 for the Reds. Oh, nice. To 125, wave autograph, Oakland, Gus Varland. And a Sparkles, Luis Robert. 32 of 99 for the White Sox. Nice hit. White Sox. Which takes us to our final box. Alrighty, guys, here we go with box number 4. Good luck. Righty, Keston Hiura. 17 of 99. Autograph wave to 125, Jeremy Pena, Astros. JJ Bleday, autograph base, Miami. Do I have more Sterling? I do have more. I don't have any more eBay breaks planned with Sterling, but I do have more. Yes, sir. Base autograph, Milwaukee, Aaron Ashby. Our next eBay breaks is not until Friday night, I think. Let me do some Ultimate Hockey. Vidal Brujan to 75, Tampa Bay. Michael Toglia, base autograph, Colorado. Brendan McKay, rookie. Another Pena. Refractor autograph, Jeremy Pena to 150, Houston. And a Kyle Lewis base rookie for Seattle. All right, guys, a little recap on the autos real quick. Jeremy Pena to 150. Toglia base, Ashby, Blade, Pena to 125. Varland to 125. Aquino to 150. Wallner, Dubon, Edwards, Seth Brown to 150. Langoliers base, Greg Jones to 125. Brennan Malone, Varland, Pages, Matthew Thompson to 125. Rutledge, Scaball, and Batty to 150. We also had a couple nice color hits. Luis Robert to 99, Sparkles. Bo Bichette, Refractor to 199. Bobby Witt to 99. And a Wander Franco to 25. So not bad at all there, guys. Solid break. Appreciate you guys hopping in. I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much.